Hi everyone, so it's your girl Lavender Storm. So today is December 1st, 2022. Almost there. 2022, and I'm super excited because we're going to do our first day of our Christmas Advent calendar. So, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Check out the links. I will put all the description and the links of how I got this box or the Advent calendar, and how you may be able to still get one if they're still selling it. I just want to let you know, I paid with my own money. I do not have any promotions or anything like that, or getting paid to do this from Japan Crate or Tokyo Treat or Sugoi Mart. I buy all of my stuff myself and everything, so I am super excited to do this, and I hope you are too. Stay tuned. Woo! Alright everyone, so today is December 1st and we are going to open up this first panel. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, these look like Thunder Bars. They are Thunder Bars. Oh, our first gift is Thunder Bars. This is gonna be so much fun. This nice awesome chocolate Krispies. Wonderful sweet treat to start off December with. You get two of them so you can share. Awesome.